Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your RedotPay account and what you need to know before doing it. First, open the RedotPay app. Go to Home, Profile, Security, Delete Account. Before you proceed, there are some very important things to note. All cards linked to your account will be canceled. All transaction records will be deleted. Any assets that are not withdrawn before deletion will be considered voluntarily abandoned. No refunds will be issued after account deletion. There's a fallback period of 15 days. If you log in within 15 days of requesting account deletion, the deletion request will be canceled, and you can continue using your account as usual. Also, keep in mind that accounts with an outstanding balance cannot be deleted, so make sure to withdraw or transfer any remaining funds first. That's it. Just follow these steps carefully if you want to delete your RedotPay account.